Hey guys, welcome to Fresher Scan. So we are back with another topic of aptitude today, which is square root and cube root. So before moving on to the concept of square and cube root and the questions, I'll tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. So before starting with the concept, let me tell you about the topics we have completed. So the list below is the topics which we have completed from Aptitude. In each last part of these all topic, a practice sheet is provided for you guys. I want you to solve that because that will be very helpful for you before facing any aptitude exams. So moving on to the today's topic. So we'll start with what is square root and what is cube root. If x square equals to y, we say that square root of y is x, and we write root y equals to x like this. So we know that square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 196 is 14. What happens in square root basically is that we have here root 4, and we can write root 4 as 2 into 2 likewise. So we have square root, that means square is 2 basically, so you have to take out one pair and one pair will consist of two numbers. So that is why here root 9 is equals to 3 into 3, so 3, and 196 equals to 14 into 14, so here we have 14. What happens in the case of cube root is the cube root of a given number x is the number whose cube is x. We denote the root of x by 3 root x. So 3 root 8, we can write 8 as 2 into 2 into 2. So in case of square root, we have to take a pair of which consists of two numbers, and in cube root we take a pair which consists of three numbers. Like here 343 is 7 into 7 into 7, so the answer will be 7. Now these are some of the formulas that will be required in some of the questions. Like root xy can be written as root x into root y. Root x by y can be written as root x by root y, or root x by root y. This is the concept of rationalization. We have taken the denominator and multiplication of numerator as well as denominator. So it is root xy into y, because when you have two roots like root y into root y, so the answer is always y. This is all about the concept, so be more clear. We'll move on to the questions. The cube root of 0.000216 is, okay, so we have to calculate the cube root and we can write it as n raised to the power 1 by 3. We can write 0.000216 as 216 by 10 raised to the power 6. We remove the point and number of digits here will be coming in 10 raised to the power. So 216 can be written as 6 into 6 into 6, and 10 raised to the power 6 can be written as 10 raised to the power 2 into 2 into 2, and in all we have raised to the power 1 by 3. Now we know that this is a cube root basically, so we'll take it 6 by 10 square, that means 6 by 100, that is 0.06, your answer, which is option B here. What should come in place of both x in the equation? X by 128 equals to 162 by x. So we consider let x by 128 equals to 162 by x. So we'll calculate this by cross multiplication. X square equals to 128 into 162. 128 can be written as 64 into 2 and 162 as 18 into 9. 64 can be written as 8 square, and here 9 can be written as 3 square, and we have written here 6 square in place of 36, which is 18 into 2 36, so 6 square equals to 36. Now we can take it as 8 into 6 into 3, which is 144. So x equals to 144, that is 12. Your answer, option A. The least perfect square which is divisible by each of 21, 36 and 66 is. So what we'll do is we'll calculate the LCM of all the three numbers, which is equals to 2772. Now we can write 2772 in like this: 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 11. Now to make it a perfect square, it will be multiplied by 7 into 11. So the required number is 2 square, 3 square, 7 square and 11 square, which is 21,003 and 444, which is your answer, option A. If 3 root 5 plus root 125 is equals to 17.88, then what will be the value of root 80 plus 6 root 5? Okay, so we have taken it like 3 root 5 plus root 125 is equals to 17.88. We can write 125 as 25 into 5, but we have root also, so we cannot forget that. We'll write it as 3 root 5 plus root 25 and 2 root 5. Now root 25 can be written as 5 obviously, so it will be 3 root 5 plus 5 root 5 equals to 17.88. So we know that both the roots are same here, so we can easily add on this. So it will be 8 root 5 is equals to 17.88. Now 8 can be gone in multiplication this side, so root 5 will be equals to 2.235. Root 80, we are taking the second equation which was given in the question, which we have to calculate. Root 80 plus 6 root 5 is equals to, we can write 80 as 16 root 5 and 6 root 5 will be same. Now 16 can be written as 4, so 4 root 5 plus 16 root 5, 6 root 5. So we can add on this, like we have 10 root 5, we know the value of root 5. So we'll multiply the value of root 5 here, which is equals to 22.35, option D your answer. This is all about the concept of cube root and square root, and these are the type of questions that you can face in any aptitude exam. Below is a practice sheet provided for you guys to solve that practice sheet, because that will help you a lot. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.